In the dark reaches beyond our solar system, something impossible has entered our reality. It isn't a signal, a probe, or a visible message. It's something quieter, stranger, a visitor moving silently through space, known as 3E Atlas. This object isn't just passing through. It's shedding pure nickel at a staggering rate, 10 pounds every second, but not just any nickel. This is refined, industrial-grade, almost entirely iron-free, a combination that shouldn't exist naturally anywhere in the universe. When the James Webb Space Telescope trained its instruments on 3E Atlas, the results were shocking. This isn't a comet or asteroid. This may be a fragment of technology, a relic, or something far more deliberate. It challenges everything we know about celestial objects. On July 1, 2025, a Chilean telescope array first detected the object streaking across the sky at over 130,000 miles per hour. Its velocity alone marked it as interstellar, only the third confirmed visitor from another star system. Astronomers expected to see the usual mix of ice, silicates, and trace metals, but instead, they found streams of pure nickel and virtually no iron. That's unnatural. In space, nickel and iron are born together in stars. One without the other shouldn't exist. The discovery hinted at intention. An astrophysicist at Harvard said it plainly. Nature doesn't do this. Industry does. Separating nickel from iron requires energy, technology, and infrastructure, something deliberate. The anomalies didn't stop there. 3E Atlas's trajectory is astonishingly precise. It made calculated flybys of Venus, Mars, and Jupiter, almost as if following a plan, not drifting randomly. Its closest approach to the Sun occurred behind the star, hidden from Earth during its most active phase. Its retrograde orbit is tilted just 5 degrees. It's as if it was designed to navigate the solar system with intention, scanning it like a satellite. James Webb's infrared observations confirmed even more unsettling details. The metallic ejections weren't raw ore. They were refined alloys with properties suggesting advanced technology. Combinations used in spacecraft, energy converters, or deep space sensors. The distribution of these materials was regular, almost patterned, hinting at a possible code. Some theorists have begun to ask, could the emissions themselves be a form of communication, a language written in chemistry rather than sound or light? The release of gases and metals defies conventional comet behavior. It's too smooth, too consistent, too directional. Typical comet outbursts spike and fade randomly, but this is controlled. The ejections may even act as propulsion, subtle corrections that mask intentional movement as natural processes. In that sense, 3E Atlas may not just be passing through, it could be maneuvering deliberately, a probe with a plan and a purpose hidden in plain sight. Comparisons to Oumuamua, the interstellar visitor of 2017, are inevitable. But 3E Atlas is different. It's larger, more visible, and far more audacious. While Oumuamua seemed like a scout, Atlas may represent the next stage. Not simply observing, but interacting with our solar system. Some scientists speculate that it could even be testing our response, measuring how we react to anomalies and how quickly we decode the impossible. The alloys revealed trace amounts of vanadium, tungsten, and technetium, a material almost never found naturally. Its presence is either a product of surviving a supernova or deliberate construction, signaling sophistication beyond natural astrophysics. The pattern of emissions, aligned with planetary positions and distances from the Sun, suggests strategy rather than coincidence. Its timing, trajectory, and material release all hint at intelligence capable of patience on a scale humans can barely comprehend. Some theorists now suggest that 3E Atlas is less a message and more a test. It's observing us as we observe it, quietly recording responses, analyzing how we process anomalies, and evaluating our ability to collaborate and question the universe. Every observation we make, every hypothesis, every discussion becomes part of its experiment. We are, unknowingly, sending signals back. This object may not be about contact or communication in any conventional sense. It may exist to provoke thought, to challenge perception, to ignite human curiosity. 3E Atlas could be part of a galactic system designed to awaken civilizations, revealing itself only when a species is capable of asking the right questions. Its presence forces us to rethink everything. What is natural, what is artificial, and what intelligence truly means. In the end, 3E Atlas is more than a visitor. It is a mirror, reflecting our curiosity, our intellect, and our willingness to explore the impossible. The metals, the trajectory, the silence, all of it is deliberate, but the real revelation is what it inspires within us. It forces us to look closer, think deeper, and confront the fact that intelligence in the universe may not shout. It waits. It observes. And it challenges us to notice. Perhaps the greatest discovery isn't the object itself, but the questions it compels us to ask. And in that, humanity evolves, not by technology, not by conquest, but by understanding, awareness, and the courage to see the extraordinary hiding in plain sight. 3E Atlas didn't arrive to announce itself. It arrived to